So when I was a small-time builder, when it came to exhaust fans, I didn't look at the expensive ones. Where did I go? I went all the way to the end over here to the cheapest ones possible. Right there. That'll work. That'll pass code. Be all set. What you want to do is you want to look at the size and make sure you got enough room for the height. The height is how deep the fan is going to be. So if your ceiling fan is not really a ceiling fan but a wall fan, we're looking at, with a 2x4 and a drywall, you're looking at no more than 4 inches. So 3.625 is perfect. So we're going to upgrade my fan, use the exact same box, and increase the CFM to 70 CFM. It's going to make a huge difference. I need a ladder. So I bought my new Broan fan, and this is really such a simple fix. So first thing I'm going to do is let's take it apart and I can show you exactly what we're looking at. So this, you just reach in there and it's on these little spring wire clips. That comes out. This is just a plug. The motor plugs in. So that's that. And now I just need a... Did I not bring tools up? Guess I didn't bring tools up. Let me go down with tools. Okay, so no wiring at all. It's a plug-in. Okay. And this is just an insert that you just pry the tab up a little bit here. Something's holding it up. Yeah, easy fix. Okay, so this just got a little wedged in there, that's all. And there it is. That's the old unit. The new unit comes with the box that's up in there. So you just remove the fan. Let's compare these two. Just take a look at them side by side. So just look at the size of the fan here. That alone is an indication of how much air this is going to move. The motor, this is much heavier. It's a much stronger motor. And this just pops right back in where the old one came out. I've done a number of these, and it's rare that it's this tight. This one's just a little bit tight, so it's getting hung up on a little screw on the side of the box here. It's in. Plug the new one in. Before I put the cover on, let's test it out. Works. And let's put the new cover on. And there we go. Fan installed. Upside down. Broan is upside down. It's supposed to be up here. Do I care? I don't think it matters. No one's ever going to look at that. There we go. Increased CFM. Easy. That's it. Yay. So thank you so much for watching my video to the very end. I really appreciate it. If you would, give me a thumbs up or leave comments down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say and respond to it. So if you would subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate the support. So until next time, get out there, go create something, go fix something, make your world a better place. Thanks again.